Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to find Bybit referral code. First thing first, log in to Bybit. Go to bybit.com and log in with your account. Navigate to the referral program. At the top menu bar, click on More. And from the drop-down, select Referral Program. Now you need to locate your code. You'll be redirected to the referral program page. Your unique referral code will be displayed there. Now copy your referral code or link and share it with your friends. When they sign up and trade, you can earn rewards depending on Bybit's promo rules. Just a tip, Bybit often runs seasonal referral promotions with higher rewards. Keep an eye for the promotions page for extra bonuses. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more Bybit tutorials on our channel, and I'll see you next time.